Are you locked out of your Adcb app because you forgot your password? Here is how you can easily change or even reset your Adcb mobile banking app password without any stress. Open your Adcb mobile banking app and then click on Login. Again, tap on Forgot My Password. As you can see, we can reset our password using our card number. That means our debit card number. As well, we can also change our password using the customer ID. But since you cannot log in to access this ID, let us go with the option of the card number. So, go ahead and enter the 16 digits at the front of your debit card and then tap on Next. You will then be asked to enter your debit card PIN, the PIN you use while you're making withdrawals at the ATM. Tap Next and then an OTP will be sent to the number that is registered to your account. Enter and submit the OTP and immediately you'll be able to set a new password. Follow the password guidelines and then confirm your password in the box below. To complete this process, tap on the Set Password button. Congratulations, your password has been changed.
Congratulations.
You can now log in into your Adcb mobile banking app using the new password we have just said right now. By the way, if you don't have your mobile number that is attached to your account, this video here will guide you on how you can reset your mobile number in just one easy step.